Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to cancel KLM Flight. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to of course klm.com and you'll be greeted by a screen looking like this. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to KLM if you haven't already done that of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see in the top left corner, we have the home, my trip, check-in and information. In the top right corner, we can see that we have your everything about your profile, and in the very middle of the screen, the book a flight option. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and cancel a KLM flight. So first of all, go to the KLM website and log into your account, and then find your upcoming flight and click on manage booking or my trip, which you can see in the top left corner here, the second option. At the moment, I don't have any trips, but be sure when you have some, they will be here. Then look for the option to cancel your flight. This is usually found under a section like Cancel Flight or Manage Booking. Then follow the prompts to request a refund. Note that the amount you get refunded depends on your route, travel class, and ticket type. Confirm the cancellation and check your email for refund details. If you booked your flight via a travel agent or a reward ticket, you may need to contact KLM support service. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video. Until then, as always, bye guys.